Hey guys, it's me from GV Explorer. Today's video is all about the recipe carrot halwa. Carrot halwa is a carrot based sweet dessert from the Indian subcontinent. This dessert is traditionally eaten during all festivals in India. Most Indian households make this halwa during the winter season. It is flavored with cardamom powder and garnished with chopped dry fruits. Let's get started and check out the ingredients. Half liter milk, 500 grams of carrot. Always use fresh and young carrots. Grate the carrots with handheld grater. 300 grams of sugar. 1 small cup of dry grapes. A bunch of cashews and almonds. Boil the almonds and peel the skin, and 1 cup of water. Take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee into it and preheat for few minutes. Now place the cashews, fry them until it turns into golden color and also add few dry grapes into it. Stir it well until it reaches to light golden color and keep it aside. Take a deep pan, add 1 cup of water into it until the water gets boiled. Now add the grated carrot and cook on medium heat, stirring oftenly for 15 minutes. Add 300 grams of sugar and milk into it. Cook until half the moisture evaporates and then stir in the ghee. Saute the carrot halwa well in ghee until the moisture evaporates completely. Add a little pinch of cardamom powder and stir it well. Now add the roasted dry fruits and mix it well. A carrot halwa is ready. Serve warm or chilled with ice cream. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit the subscribe button before you leave.